Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about Quizlet, a wonderful way to review new words in all sorts of ways. Let's say that this is the Quizlet set that you've created. There's a way to use flashcards so students can independently learn the new words on their own. Another way is to use Learn, and that is to just answer questions and review the words. Another way is to write the words if you want to practice for a dictation. Students can practice the new words. Another way is to choose here spell and also test. Wonderful ways to create tests for students. And this is my favorite activity, the match activity. You click start and you quickly match the words. And the most exciting way to use Quizlet is together in class or on Zoom using the live option. This is the live option. So as you do this, you can choose if you want individual mode or random teams, and it's really fun if you do it with random teams. You click again, and then students join in using the QR code, the code, or a link that you send them. As they join, they play together. It's a lot of fun. This is Quizlet Live. I've taken this from Quizlet videos. Basically, students just log in and they play together in groups. Sometimes the answer is on their phone or laptop, and sometimes is on their friend's phone or laptop. So it's a lot of fun to play because they have to talk about the vocabulary. They have to consult with one another and decide what is the answer together and click. And they are divided into different groups, and they are named different names: animals, T-Rexes, dinosaurs, tigers, bears, all kinds of interesting animals. The progress bar is shown on the screen, the teacher's screen, so the teacher can see who's in the lead. The first group to reach 12 correct answers in a row is the winner. That group is the winner. Then they get to review their mistakes, and that's it. So it's a fun review in groups. So in order to start a new account, we go to Quizlet.com. You can see the address here, Quizlet.com. Click sign up, and you can sign up with your Facebook, your Gmail account, or simply enter your name, your email, and a password. You need to accept Quizlet's terms of service, and you are ready to go. When you are in and you are logged in, you can search for existing sets here. And you can write something like Our World, Unit 3, and see if there are any Quizlet sets related to what you are teaching with vocabulary taken from your book, your course book. For instance, Our World, or maybe Cool, Unit 3. You can see different existing Quizlet sets according to the names of the books, and that saves you a lot of time. All you need to do is choose a Quizlet set. So let's say you really like this one. You can go in, scroll down, see if you like the words, if there are no mistakes, if it's pretty straightforward. You can just go ahead and send this to your students. Just send them this link for the flashcards. Then you can teach them how to use the site, how to test themselves here, how to use the learn option and the matching game. So all you need to do is send them this link. You can also go specifically to the match game directly and send them this link. This link will direct them directly to the match game. Well, what if you have a unique list that you want to create? All you need to do is click create and start your own list. You click set and you give it a name, for example, V2 verbs. give it a name. You scroll down. Don't add a picture here. Don't do that because that will change it to a diagram Quizlet. And then you can enter a name here and here. So you can write something like eat. And here you write the other side of the card, of the flashcards, 8. So you have eat and 8. Run, ran, right? You go down, you click add card, and you add more cards. Let's say you can write something like do, did. Add card. Write, wrote. Add card. Tell, told. And you can even add images. So you click image and you write tell, and you can add a picture that's related to your word. You click image and you get a few images that are free to use. That saves you a lot of time. You can write maybe did. I'm not sure what picture we can have with did. Maybe we shouldn't add anything. Ran, run. This one is funny. Eat, ate, and we can add this one. So let's say we wrote enough words and we're pretty happy with our list. We click create. That's it. The list is ready for us to use. We can click copy link and send it to students. You see, it's ready. And we can also do the match game here. Start. And we can start playing. So let's say we want to send this to students. We just copy the link from the address bar. That's it. We can also play the live game. Right now it's disabled because I only have 5 terms and definitions. I actually need at least 12 because remember we need at least 12. We actually need at least 6 to start. So we need more definitions in order to play the live options. That's it. So I hope you like this tutorial and use Quizlet to encourage students to learn vocabulary and practice more. Thank you.